We are in Kampong Phluk village. They live in houses they call floating houses. Look at the scenes. So sweet, so beautiful. The fishing is at an extremely high level.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
This is a really nice atmosphere. Hello everyone, we're back with a fantastic episode. We're currently in Kampong Phluk, a village located about 40 kilometers from Siem Reap in Cambodia. Today we're going to present a very special documentary to you. There are water people living here. They live in what they call floating houses, right on the lake. It has 5,000 residents. It will be a fun segment. We'll closely examine their lives. We've got our tickets. Now we'll show our tickets. Then we'll head to the village. Let's get to the video. Before we start, please comment, like, and share. Enjoy. We got our tickets. They're checking them again here. We paid $22 American per person.
It's okay? Yeah. Okay. Number 52. Thanks so much. Let's go.
Our driver is here. A nice 90-minute tour awaits us. Like Angkor Wat, this place has a story for me. 3 years ago, I rented a motorbike for $1 or $2. I thought I'd go to a village. Let me explore and see it. I had to turn back halfway. The asphalt you see wasn't here. They laid it a month ago. It was muddy and rainy. I couldn't see it, and I was sad. It was meant for today. After 3 whole years, we finally made it back here. How are you? This is our yacht, you see, a motor yacht. 4 of us will be traveling on this. It's a special VIP, my friends. Well, it's worth it, I suppose.
Aye.
Look at this, it's so tiny. It's very beautiful, friends.
Hello. How are you? What are you doing here? Vay. Motorlar har.
Sister, come, sister, the boat is leaving. We have departed from the port. Our scenic tour has now begun. We are now proceeding. Our route includes tribal homes and floating houses. We are currently on Tonle Sap Lake. This is Southeast Asia's largest freshwater lake. Every November, this unique event takes place in this lake, the only one in the world. The current's direction changes just once a year, and people here reportedly celebrate it as the Spring Festival. It is Asia's largest freshwater lake. All the houses you see were built to capture the view. The houses look absolutely wonderful, don't they? We've slowly started making our way towards the village, friends. On both our right and left, you can see these floating houses. Once we slow down a bit, I'll provide you with more technical information. It's much more pleasant this way. This is one of the most touristic spots in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Of course, it's touristic for tourists. For the people living here, life here is really very difficult and very tiring. There's a lot of engine noise, so my voice comes through clearly. I'll speak a bit louder in a moment. Please excuse me. People here reach their homes using small boats, these kinds of vessels, because transportation is a bit problematic. Especially all houses on the left are submerged. But the houses on the right also have access to land. Look, there's even a grocery store in the village. Friends, a floating grocery store. They've built it right on the water. People come here to shop for all their daily needs. A girl, for instance, jumps from her home and swims. Just look at these images. It's so sweet, so very beautiful. So right now we are almost inside a scene, like a film set. The ambiance is captivating. A woman, for instance, went out with her child in the evening to fish. The village's primary source of income is seafood. That means fishing and rice. More precisely, rice cultivation, especially during periods when the water recedes. In dry seasons, a considerable amount of water is drawn back from here. So these places are accessible even on foot. In those days, people made their living by gathering and cultivating rice. As you can see, there are many boats beneath every house. You'll see 2 or 3 boats at every house, and each family consists of 5 or 6 people. Each family has at least 3 children. For instance, you can see a tiny child steering a boat. He's rowing a small boat, man, because children born here by the time they turn 1 year old learn to swim, not to walk. Fishing is at a very high level. Everyone is fishing in the lake, they're going out to fish. During the pandemic, the COVID period, people here were truly in a very difficult situation. My auntie is carrying her quilts here. Also, there are passenger boats. These are the village's sea buses. Little children, because they don't know how to swim, are swimming with life jackets. The houses are constructed upon poles that are approximately 6 to 7 meters in length. There's no cooler, no machine inside the houses, no air conditioning. It might be a bit difficult for us, but since these people are used to it, I honestly think it's normal. Different lives, different cultures. We're truly amazed right now as we enter. I've never seen a place like this until now. There's a similar place in Peru I visited, but it was very good and luxurious. And there were luxury hotels and such. We were staying in a room at the house. But this place is very interesting indeed. We're going to pay now for the boats, friends. We're going on a tour in the mangrove forests. It's $5.50 per person, 11 for 2, friends. We've got our tickets. Only 2 people can get on a boat at most. Let's continue. Let's go. Okay, we can go. See you later. I've packed my slippers too, brother. This area is known as the mangrove forests. It's also a part of the Tonle Sap Lake. Within the lake, they've designed a wonderful tour route filled with trees. They've cleaned it up and fixed the paths. Everyone is posing. It's very fun. This will also take about 15 to 20 minutes. My mom set up her hammock here. If it breaks, she'll fall into the river. She made herself a small shelter from bamboos. She's resting between 4 trees. Some have hung their clothes to dry. The forest is so magical, though.
Hello.
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Excuse me, sir. You want something called drink water?
What are you selling, sis?
Hello, sir.
Even Labubu is here, you know, Labubu.
How much lace? Lace, how much lace?
This one for $2.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Erdem is hungry. I'll give him some chips so he can eat. $2.
Let's buy it, my love.
Yes, all jokes aside, we really need to support the local people. I am very sensitive when it comes to these kinds of topics. Absolutely.
Excuse me, you want some and the pencil for the student in the school? You buy letter, you can put for the children in my village.
Yeah.
Wait, I change for you. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Ah,
There are tourists, many tourists. Everyone comes to see this place.
Are you feeling mosquito bites?
There are flies because we are on the lake. So it's healthier to wear long-sleeved clothes when you come here.
That's why you came in sweatpants.
Yeah, exactly. Look, my friend, it's just so wonderfully perfect. So good, man. Yeah, this is such a pleasant vibe. I've been to many places in Asia, never seen its like. Look, a wave. It's coming up on our left side. They're going to completely overturn us. Oh my God. Bless us. Oh, watch your head, Adam. Normally, it's the rainy season right now. The water level here during the rainy season is above normal. In the dry season, it drops quite a bit, by 1.5 to 2 meters. The river's depth is about 6 meters.
Really?
Right now, it's 6 meters, maybe 5 or 6, of course.
hello.
Are we here yet? Hold on a moment. I need to give my auntie some spending money.
Thanks so much.
I'm about to tell you something sad. These turtles we see, these people eat. We just asked the driver what they're eating. He said, "We eat rats." In some regions, cat is eaten. In some regions, dog is eaten. They consume so much. Whatever comes from the water, from the land, from the soil, man, they eat everything. They show no mercy.
It's a fake, right?
It's truly real, my love. It's real.
This is the original, but this one not killed, they die by themselves.
Yeah.
Sometimes the crocodile open from the egg, they sometimes die. Or
Yeah.
the people, they make this one for souvenirs.
She says they die during birth. She says these are things that die naturally. We don't kill them. You have to keep your balance steady, Erdem. We are going back.
Oh, yeah.
It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. The mangrove forests were truly amazing. You can sit and rest here too. You can have hot or cold drinks. You can have soup. You can have tea or coffee. We're going on. Let's see where to next. Is this the way back, I wonder? I guess so. It's been an hour and a half. The place you're seeing is a crocodile farm, friends. They raise crocodiles there. Later, unfortunately, I'm sad to say, they slaughter those crocodiles to make belts. They're making wallets, they're making bags, they're making tablecloths. We are on our way back, friends. A very beautiful geography. Before you die, you absolutely must come and experience Cambodia, my friends. If you think, we can't make it, we'll get too tired, or you say we can't make that plan, we prepare everything for you. www.haytayollarda.travel.com. You can reach us either on the website, on Instagram, or via the call center. As you know, Cambodia requires visas for Turkish citizens. Before you arrive, we arrange your online visas for you, delivering them with a 2-day visa. You can reach us through them, Instagram, haytayollarda travel. Imagine meeting your friend. You're going out to dinner. You're going by boat. Man, just look at the luxury. For some, it's a dream. For others, it's reality. They might be excited to get in a car. We're excited to get on a boat. A boat is a luxury for us. A car is a luxury for them. That's just how life is. That's why every region has a different culture. My auntie is here. Oh, God bless you. Just look at these houses. They've built them from sheet metal, like aluminum. We're just now approaching the harbor.
Mama, thank you so much. Okay.
It was a very enjoyable trip, everyone. It was magnificent. One of the best experiences of my life. Thank you all for watching and spending your time with us. We're now waiting for your comments, likes, and shares. They're all free. Subscribing is also free. Take care of yourselves. Greetings, respect, and love to everyone from Siem Reap, Cambodia.